Yeah, welcome to makeelectronics.ng. Um, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to add a library, the cloudX library, to your IDE. How to add your cloudX library to your IDE. If you click on Add Libraries, you will see that it didn't bring anything, the libraries, because it has not been installed on your computer. So how do I get this library? That is the question you should ask yourself. So you go to makeelectronics.ng on your browser, makeelectronics.ng on your browser, and makeelectronics.ng on your browser, and then when you get there, you go to support. Under support, you have downloads. So you click on downloads, then it will bring you down to this link. When you get to this link, you scroll down and look for the cloudX libraries. So the one I'm using as at the tutorial, I'm using version 1.10. So you can get the updated version, or you can still use this version. So once you download it, you click on the zip file. So you can see it's downloading on my computer. So by the time it's finished downloading, you unzip it and copy yes, you copy this folder, the cloudX folder, to a path, a path on your desktop where you can easily locate. So when you do that, you go back to your project, you go back to your cloudX folder, IDE, and come down. I have already copied my own file, downloaded file, the folder. I've copied it to the desktop, the cloudX. I've copied it to the desktop. So you come down to import library under tools. Once I click on import library, then I'll go to the part where my I dragged the folder to. So under desktop, I dragged it to desktop. So I'll look for the cloudX on my desktop. Okay, this is it. Then so you can choose a desired folder where you want to copy your libraries to. So I click OK. So automatically I've imported my library. So I double click on add library. You double click on it for the first time. So once I double click on it, it has brought out all the libraries I have on my computer, all the libraries of that version. These are all libraries for version 1.10. So in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to now use this library in your project, in your first project with the cloudX microcontroller. Thank you for watching this video.